Hello everyone, welcome back to JSS Collections. How are you all doing? I hope everyone is fine. I am doing well. So today I have come up with mixed collection. Today's collection I have from anarkali tops and western tops and the tops which you can wear with jeans and all. And yeah, that's it. And one more thing friends, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to comment below. Everybody is watching my video but everyone is forgetting to click like button and comment below. Please, your comments are welcome and don't forget to click like button. And one more thing, you can follow me on Instagram also. My Instagram ID is jss_collections 123. So let's go to the video. So my first one is this one. It's a floor length top and it has golden thread embroidery with false mirror work. You can have a close look. It's really pretty and it has gota lacing all over at the front side, and it comes with tassels. You can tie according to your waist, and it's a bandhani print, embroidery, foil work and gota lacing, and it's a party wear top friends. You can use it for small parties also. You look stunning because it's a beautiful color. It's a wine shade with golden embroidery and the sleeves are 3 by 4th. Okay, and sleeves also has gota lacing. You can see detailing of gota, and also see, you can have a close look. It comes with samosa lace also. Really, it's wonderful. Have a look. It's really pretty and it has flare also. It's a flared one. Okay, and the size is M. Let me measure. I will tell you the correct picture of this dress. And it's a plus size kurti. It is written as MM, but the bust size goes up to 42. And it costs you 850 plus shipping. And the next one is the ultimate color, black. It is also a flare type kurti. You can have a look at the flare. It comes with flare around 3 to 3.5 meters, and it has a embroidery on the yoke part, and it has also pin tucks. You can have a close look. It has a pin tucks. See, pin tucks and also embroidery at the yoke part, and at the bottom it has all triangle shape embroidery. You can see, and the embroidery is of color red and golden color and light pink shade, and at the bottom you have a red detailing. You can see detailing also, and it's a high-low kurti friends, and it's a plus size one, and the sleeves are, let me tell you, full sleeves and also with a bell at the bottom. It's a bell sleeve kurti and it's a plus size. It is of around, it comes around I think 48. Let me check. It's a plus size kurti. And this top is of 5XL and the bust size goes up to 50. And it also costs you 850 plus shipping. The next one is the beautiful floral. It's like a garden, you can see. If you wear it, you feel like you are sitting in a garden. The total, it has floral motif, floral print, and you can see it has a embroidery also. At the yoke part, it has embroidery. It's a printed come embroidery top, and it has small pleats, and it's a paneled kurti. You can see it has panels. See, panel 1, 2, 3. It's a paneled kurti, and it's really pure cotton top it is, and it has a lot of flare also. You can see it comes around it will be around 4.5 to 5 meters flare. You can have a look. It's really pretty, and it's very sober also. You can use it for official meetings. You will look stunning, and it comes with a keyhole at the front. You can see it has a keyhole and with a button, and you can have a look at this beautiful embroidery. It's really beautiful. And one more thing, friends, it's a branded one. You can see it's a Juniper brand. It's very famous. It's a Juniper brand. Actually, the MRP on this dress is 3,000. Sorry, not 3,000, 2,799. You can have a look. It's a branded one. It costs you 1,050 plus shipping. And the size is yes. Let me check. It is yes. The bust size goes up to 36. Really, I am telling you, it's a beautiful one, and branded one also. Really, it's very nice. And the next is this beautiful navy blue top, and it comes with the collar. You can have a look. It comes with a collar and 3 golden buttons, but they are not openable. It has a small opening at the beginning only. Okay, have a look. It's really pretty. It has a small detailing. You can say it's a fine detailing with red thread. Okay, and it comes with golden color print all over, and the sleeves are, you can see, 3 by 4th, and at the bottom of the sleeve also you have this red detailing, and bottom of this dress also it has a small border, red border detailing. Okay, and it's a flared one. You can see, you can have a look at this flare. The flare goes up to 3 to 4 meters. You can have a look, and at the bottom it has a border. You can have a see. It's really beautiful one. And and one more thing, friends, the bottom is of different color, a slight different. It is navy blue, and it is little bit darker border it has with red thin border. It's really beautiful, and it costs you 650. Size is M, and the bust goes up to bust size goes up to 40. And the next is really a beautiful one, friends. It is of combination of white and black, the ultimate black and white color combination. Have a look. It is also a western dress. It also comes with, it's a flapper. You can see it has lot of flare. It comes with a flapper. Okay. And yeah. And it has elastic also. See, have a look. And the top is, it's a western style. See, have a look. It's a crop top, friends. It comes with a band. Okay. And it has a different pattern of sleeves. You can see it's a balloon type sleeves. See, have a look. It's really, it comes with a different pattern sleeves. And the neck is also different. Have a look. And the USB of this dress is sleeves, and also see, you can see it. You can have a look at the behind. It has a elastic. It comes with elastic, so it will stay fit here. Okay. And behind it has a low neck with tie. I think it's clear for you. See, behind it has a low neck with tie. And it comes with zip also. It has a zip behind. And the size is okay, I will measure it and I will let you know. The size is M. The bust size goes up to 38. And I will show you the total dress, how it will be. And the bottom. Really, it looks very nice. It's beautiful. And you can set a trend also by wearing this. And it costs you 750 plus shipping. And the next one is of two-piece dress. It's a western dress actually. It comes with straight pants. You can have a look. It's a printed one. It is of combination of gray and light blue. It's a belt type bottom. Behind it has a elastic also. You can see. And it comes with belts. And the size is L. And its top is like this. It's a peplum top. And it also has princess cut pattern. And it comes with a small accessory. And you have sleeves. It has sleeves inside. If you want sleeves, you can attach them. And it comes with a zip also behind. It has a zip. And the total look of the dress will be like this. Okay. With the straight cut pant and peplum top. And it costs you 550 plus shipping. Next one is this beautiful Kalankari print top. Such a lovely top, friends. And it's a very, very pure cotton it is. Okay. It's a flare type kurti. See, you can see it's a umbrella type. Okay. And the combination of navy blue and red. the ultimate combination, and it's a umbrella type kurti. The flare is around 5 meters. You can have a look. Such a beautiful one. And it comes with the collar. You can have a look. And it has detailing also of buttons. You can have a close look. See, it has buttons, but they are not openable. Only the first one is openable. Okay. And really I am telling you, you can happily use it for offices because it has a collar, and as all of you know, if when it comes with a collar, it looks official. Okay, and the sleeves are 3/4 and it has a flap also. You can see it comes with a flap and button. See, really friends, it's really so pretty. I liked it very much. See, if you wear also, you look stunning. See, you have a look. It's really pretty. And it is of floor length. You can see it's a floor length one. Okay. And the size is M 38. Okay. And it costs you 650 plus shipping. This I have a few hoodies. Okay. See, you can have a look. See, it's a combination of peach, white and black. Okay. And the sleeves are full sleeve. Size is double XL. And it's a branded one. You can have a look. It's a Vogue brand. Okay. It comes with a different print here. Okay. You can have a close look. One more hoodie is this maroon color. You can have a look. Maroon color, and it has totally dots, black dots on this, and a cute kitten. See, such a beautiful kitten it is. And it comes with a patch also, patch of teddy. See, have a look. Kitten and teddy. Okay. So such a beautiful color it is, friends. Really. So pretty. See, it has all polka dots. Okay. And the size is, this goes up to, let me check. It is of size M. It goes, the bust size goes up to 38. Okay. And it costs you the same 450 plus shipping. And really I am telling you friends, the cloth is such a beautiful one. It's very smooth. You will feel very cool if you wear it. Really, it's a beautiful one. Have a look. And I have one more shade also in this. The pattern and everything is same. You can have a look. See, it also comes with kitten and bear, and all over it has polka dots. Okay. And it's a mehendi green shade. And the size is, I think it is of same size. Let me check. It also goes up to 38. Okay. It costs you the same 450 plus shipping. And the next one is this all-time favorite Navy kurti. And it's in a beautiful shade, friends. It's a teal blue shade. You can have a close look. It's a different shade. Really, it's a beautiful one. With small pleats, very tiny pleats it has. And it also comes with 4 buttons detailing, which are not openable. Only the first one is openable. And it comes with collar. Really, it looks pretty, friends. It's really beautiful. Sorry, I am mistaken. It has total buttons from top to bottom. You can have a look. See, it has all buttons up to bottom. Okay, and it's a Lucknowi kurti. You can see the embroidery is this way. In previous videos also I have shown a few Lucknowi kurtis in different colors. See, such a beautiful one. Okay, and the size is the sleeves are 3/4 and the size is M. I think it will be 38. Let me check. The size goes up to 38. It's correct. And it costs you 550 plus shipping. Really, friends, it's so beautiful. I liked it very much. That Kalankari one and this one. Really, such a beautiful piece it is. So let's go to the next one. Final one is this beautiful western top. Such a beautiful one it is. It is a combination of light pink and coral, and on that you have black print. You can have a close look, and it comes with a beautiful detailing with 2 pearls hanging. It's really pretty one. Have a look. It's beautiful. Okay, and at the shoulder part it has black patch. It's a net patch. You can see black patch. Okay, it's a lengthy one, and here it has only as one pleat. You can see it has a pleat here. Okay, and behind it has a pattern. Have a look. See, it has a circle behind. In between the circle it has a bow. Have a look. It's a trendy one, and it's a plus size one. It is of it comes around 44, I think. Let me check. It's a plus size one. Those who wear jeans and those who want plus size, they can order this. The size goes up to I told you it comes up to 48. It's a plus size one. So the plus size, those who want plus size, those who are looking for western wear in plus size, they can take screenshot and immediately WhatsApp to the given number, and it costs you 550 plus shipping. Those who want a little bit lengthier tops, you can go for it. And I have one more shade in this. It is of coral and pink shade, and the one more is, it's a beautiful shade, most demanding shade, gray and black. The print and everything is same. See, the detailing and on everything is same. See, it comes with the same black patch and circular pattern at the behind. Okay, and the size and everything is same, only the thing is shade is different. It also costs you 550 plus shipping. So friends, hurry up as the festive mood is around. Take screenshots and immediately WhatsApp me so that it can reach before your festival. So, and thank you so much for taking time to watch my video. not only watching, please try to share my video to your family and friends, and don't forget to click like button. As I told you, it's a free of cost and it takes only a fraction of second. Okay, and please leave your comments below, and please shower your love and support with sharing, subscribing and liking, and also with comments. Okay, so please take a screenshot and send it to the mentioned number. My number is 9656775528, and you can DM me also on Instagram. My ID is jss underscore collections 123. So this is all for today. So we will meet in next video. Have a nice time. Bye bye.